buy in and buy out, you see
Yeah.
all coins go up and down. And I thought that was how it worked. But yeah, I am just a noob, so
You and me both. We will find out soon.
will it hold support? This
What?
is called a caterpillar. Well, not that. No, it's not a caterpillar. A caterpillar would be this.
Yeah.
It's crawling. Okay, but actually we're not really productive, huh? We're not really productive. Bell Bitcoin, yeah. Okay. I don't think I have to worry about this one. Uh,
About X?
ooh, it's a nice pump. Okay, so let's draw more lines to see where it goes.
Alex, when
Yeah.
you look at the max, not X but BTC, when you look at the weekly, God, I don't want to sound so sick, but do you guys also see that huge triangle when you look at BTC on the weekly?
The beautiful triangle.
The huge triangle.
Oh, the huge triangle. I actually
Like when you
stopped.
look up, you stop drawing triangles, right?
Yeah,
I had
because they're
Fab talking about them yesterday, and he was, but no, tell you what, these triangles work if you put waves on them and you identify the price action in a wave, then they
yeah, you need
actually
to.
really work.
It depends on how you use the triangle. If you just use the triangle like FibFab says, the 360 stealer
No,
way.
not that nonsense.
No, if you just draw things like this and the price, oh, wrong one, and the price just this, you're like, well, breakouts are we going up? That's
No.
it could be, but you'll be like 50% lucky. But you
Yeah.
need to I think he showed you this. ABCD or something, the Elliott wave triangle. A, B, C, D, and E or something, D. I don't know. Oh, wait, no, it's the wrong one. This here. Something like this, huh? He showed you.
Yeah. Yeah. I think I
thought
even have a book that.
this one. And
Yeah.
then the triangle will appear. And this is actually
Yeah.
no. And it
So
also shows you where the price goes, right?
yeah. So for me, it
Yeah.
works for me. It works for me. I know that because that's why I'm just like, if BTC breaks out of that big triangle and the body closes above that big triangle on the weekly, yeah, then we then yeah,
Yeah.
the bulls
Okay,
the bulls
the weekly
look
triangle.
at BTC on the weekly.
Okay.
So just
Some of you wanted to see this, so I'll just skip it.
no, put it on the daily, okay?
On the daily, okay. Okay.
Maybe on the daily, because then you really so draw from the sharpest up.
The sharpest. This one.
No, no, up at the peak, up. Yeah, to where we are, but down flat, and then yeah, but to the lowest week of, okay, no, first draw a horizontal at the lowest week that we have currently. Yeah.
Okay.
So now draw a trend line from the highest peak we have to where we are.
This one.
Yeah. So now you can try and play with the waves in this triangle to try and speculate where the price is going to go. So for me,
From this point, right?
Yeah, from the highest peak.
It should have gone here.
It should have run, but it did not.
Okay. So you're saying if it crosses this point, which is a Fibonacci cross.
Exactly. So for me, if it crosses that point, then it's game over.
Yeah. But this line is not a Fibonacci line, actually. Or again, because it runs like this. And the other one runs something like this. But this line is actually a very important line. So yeah, you don't need the top line if you draw this.
Really?
It depends.
Interesting.
Yeah, you know, well, it's my opinion, okay? But if I just actually, this is
that also
smaller
could
triangle.
make sense. Yeah.
And A, B, C, D. There's an ugly ass man.
So for me,
this doesn't work. You know why? I see a lot of people drawing these triangles like this, but it just doesn't work like this. I say, I'll break out. And
no, that doesn't work.
Draws it like this and it's a breakout.
No, that's nonsense. You know? I think for me, from like what you had drawn before is actually exactly what I have. And it's from the peak to there, and then I also have that line. So if BTC breaks out of there and holds that, I buy back everything. Every single thing. Because that would just mean continuation.
That could be a good option.
Yep.
Okay, so let's see.
But you can also play with it and try and speculate and see what,
because
you know. Or you could also draw it, because you can say the tip was deviation. So you can also cut the tip out. So this is what was also messing with my head the other day, because you can cut the tip out and start from, draw the trend line from one, the first head of the mountain or whatever. No, not that one. The second one. That one. So you can draw from that peak. Let's just speculate that the topest peak was just deviation, and then draw it to where, yeah. So something like that. You see that you still have this point, And this is why the other day I was just like, this is decision time. If BTC breaks this structure here and holds, I'll just know that it's continuation and the bulls actually have a point.
Yeah, but let me tell you something. If this hadn't happened, so the price action was here, how would you have known that you had to draw the trend line at this point?
If that hadn't, no, I had this before even all this price action happened.
Okay, so that's the question. How, based on what, did you draw the trend lines like this? Based on what?
I was looking for price action to see and speculate where price is going and looking at waves, and they still were not making sense to me, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But now that we have that happening, it kind of makes a little bit of sense. Then I also have another small triangle inside, you know? That's where I got the price. That's why that day when I was telling you guys, I said, if we break above 34,800 and the candle closes above, I'm going to buy everything back, all my spot bags, and sell at 42.
Mm-hmm.
Because it also had a certain kind of structure. So this is why I completely don't dismiss these triangles, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Because I had another small triangle inside there and it stopped somewhere around there. So yeah, I had that structure. It was not a triangle actually, it was a channel. And I knew that because I have another line here and it was a channel. And in my head, I was saying if BTC crossed 34,800 and broke the channel out of the channel, I was going to buy back everything that night. That was
This is what you saw.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
this is what you saw.
Yeah, I had a channel as well.
Yeah.
So interesting. TA is so interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I had a channel, it broke out of that channel, and that's why I wanted to buy everything back at 34,800 if we closed the bar.
What you did was zoom out, look at the price action here,
Yeah.
and then draw down, right?
Yeah.
I did the opposite. I zoomed in, took this price action.
Yeah.
And every line you see on the chart is based on this month.
Yeah. Interesting.
Because like Fabrizio yesterday said, you could copy paste everything and it would still make sense.
Mm.
And this is what I also saw. And it doesn't matter that the wicks, don't connect, because that's just something you tell yourself, that this must bounce.
Fuck, Alex, we're dropping. BTC is dropping. Shit.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's dropping. Not even the hammer helped. This shit is falling.
Oh, if you're falling, then I'm gaining. Or not?
What? Are you short?
No, I have BTC pairs.
Fuck. Yeah.
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 I don't know if I
That's
should
life.
exit my trade or if I should just wait and see what happens. Because I have a strong meeting point of the trend line. This doesn't make sense. BTC is... If BTC falls, this shit is going to Goblin City.
To Goblin City. Yeah. We're going to Goblin City.
We're nuking to Goblin City.
Look where I could have taken profit. Ay, 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 ay. I'm not paying enough attention on my trade.
Yeah. I'm so tired of this bullshit with BTC.
It's not a bull run. It's bullshit. Oh my god. Fabrizio said so many things yesterday and I was laughing.
Me too. He killed
I was
me.
laughing so hard all the time.
Me
But I
too.
was muted. What did he say? He said,
He
we
said,
have it in the chat.
it's not like he said, it's not a correction. What are you correcting?
Yeah. What are you correcting? Yeah.
Correcting. You cannot correct a price.
Yeah. That was one of the things. The other thing, let me see.
God.
Keep your eye on the price, eh? Keep my eye on the chat. This is not bullish, it's bullshit. That was one. What are you correcting?
Yeah.
That was something else.
Shit, BTC. And I knew this shit would fall. I should have just stayed in my shot from yesterday.
He said, strange but true, like Metallica. I was like, this is so random. Why are you saying this? Strange but true, like Metallica.
Did you write it down?
Yeah, because I will write all these things down because I think they're funny.
Yeah. He killed me when he said, "What are you correcting?" I was just like, I'm never going to say price correction out of my mouth again. Like, I'm just never going to say price correction out of my mouth again. Never. Oh, shit. I'm just gonna exit this trade, man.
Okay, yeah, we need to make decisions. Okay, Atta has to exit. Yes, let's go. But will it bounce on the fib level?
I don't even have
we
to
don't
exit.
know.
I
Yes,
got
it bounced.
kicked out.
It bounced. Okay.
I got kicked out because I had put my stop loss in profit.
Okay, thank you. No. Yes. Okay. Thank you. What? Atta. Okay, let's go to Atta. Sell limit. What's the price right now? You never know because you're lagging. It's a totally different price. This application just is not up to date. How can anybody trade with this thing?
Alex, can I ask something?
Yeah.
What's your star sign?
My star sign. Oh, you mean my I am a. What do you think? Because maybe you can guess.
Not really.
So why are you asking me?
I'm curious.
Okay, 1 second. I need to focus.
You don't have to focus to know what your star sign is, do you?
Oh my God. I'll just let that go. I lost. Okay, Axis and Atsa. Okay. You know what? I have my sell thingy here, my stop loss. And if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't hit, it bounces and we continue. But this is a head and shoulders, right? Or 3 things. What's it called? 3 drives or something? Yeah, I don't like short trades.
Three
Um,
soldiers, but that's candles, not with. Yeah, but this still doesn't look good because if you put it in a channel, it still means it's
in
hitting
the
the
channel.
trend line.
Yes, I think this is the median trend line
If you put it in a channel and then you put it flat,
with bell
yeah.
454, 454, 454. Okay, so my stop loss is here. This is my stop loss, 4, 5. Okay, this is my stop loss, the green line. I'm safe for now, right? And if you would put it in a channel, you said, take the channel, not that one. You take a parallel channel, connect the highs like this, boom. Saw what I did? That's better. That is better, but I think it should be like this. So we broke into the trend line. We broke. Well, I broke. You rich. Yeah, this also broke. Bell, 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 bell. Bell, where you bell, where you got the bell? Where's Atta? Okay, sell Atta. Right? Oh my god, should have sold. I really need to learn when to get out of a trade. Of course, it's not. Quickly. Oh, no, fast. Shit.
Alex,
Yeah, I'm here.
sorry, I had a phone call. So when are we starting the one?
Today? I think you are breaking up. Bell. Bell.
When are we starting the challenge? Can you hear me
I can
now?
hear you now.
Okay. When are we starting the challenge?
Oh, when we're starting the challenge. Well, you are asking me?
I'm asking you because I've personally actually started the challenge on my own because I feel like,
Oh,
yeah,
that's
and
it.
it's I told you guys, let's do it. But because I also know, not everyone can trade futures. So that's
Okay, one second.
why
I cannot
I
cancel
say
my trade.
let's do it
Why not?
sport. But I also know that there are not so many good opportunities in the market. So we can start when we have the second
Faith,
bout.
Faith, Faith, Faith. You're gone again. Okay, this thing is just not working for me. I need to go on finance. Market trade finance. Drive no open order trade. Okay, sell, failed, failed. Okay. So everything went okay.
Alex, I can hear you.
Oh, hello. So I am not using the application anymore because it's lagging. It's not fast enough. Probably because it's on a, I don't know, Binance chain. It should be faster than Bitcoin chain. Okay. Yeah.
Alex, I'm back.
Hello.
Hey, so as talking about the challenge, as saying we had decided that we were going to do sport because, of course, some people can't trade futures. So we wanted to make it easy for everyone.
Yeah.
So then we decided to do the sport challenge of 1,000 to 10K, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when do we start is the question. Or do you guys not see any opportunities in the market?
Well, I think FitFop wanted to start something bigger.
Okay.
Okay, but first things first. The trading market says I have, you know, this much BTC available. Okay, which is this.
What?
Okay. So either the price dropped heavily, I mean like 50%. But if I go to my wallet, actually, this is what it says. So
how much was it
it says
initially?
I have this worth, but maybe I have Ethereum. No, it's just all Bitcoin. Or, huh?
Can you click on
Why do I have
overview?
so much Bell? Look,
Did you buy?
no, I sold. This, this exchange is so awful. I do not have open orders. Look, and Bell, stop loss. Okay. Am I still in Bell? I'm still in Bell. I'm still in Bell. Stupid exchange, really. So now I gotta check the chart again if I'm in profit or not. Or in Goblin City. Okay. It's going to touch for support. Yes. I see it go this way to the moon. This is the plan, guys. Okay, let's talk. So the trading challenge thing, right? Faith, you there? FIFAP is also here.
I had muted my thing.
Have you muted me? Do you see this question, Faith?
What question?
Or if you would look in the chart or in the chat or on screen about that. Dekra, I am showing your question to Faith because she is the candle expert. So I'm sorry if I'm exposing you right now, but she's asking if the bullish candle on the 1 hour BTC shouldn't the second candle confirm whether it is or not. So I think so, because that is what you told
Where
me
is
as well,
the question?
right?
I don't see.
What do you see? Oh, the chart. Oh, the chart. Okay.
What chat in the main channel?
The chat. Do you see the chat now?
Yeah, I see it.
So this question right here.
Wait, I don't see anything in my side.
Oh my days. Okay, I'm going to copy the question into the
Just copy
chat.
it and send it now.
Okay.
About that
Now it's
bullish
sent.
candle on the 1 hour. BTC shouldn't.
No.
The second
About the
candle
bullish
confirm
candle.
whether it is or not. On BTC. Yeah, but you see that when it happened, the trend reversed a bit. But
Oh
yeah,
my.
then but because we have a very tight range, we still went up here and hit resistance, and the selling pressure was probably a lot. But
Oh wait,
now
I'm
I
looking at the
see
3 minute. Okay, bullish
God.
candle. When did she 1640? Okay. 1640. 1640. This one. This one. 16. Which candle? Dikra. Maybe she's busy. Oh. Which candle?
Why do you call her
That
that? Dikra.
that's her name. In Arabic, the R is like a R. It's not a R. It's a R. That's why it's a strong letter.
Yeah, but you don't say Dikra.
Why not? It's Arabic.
Dikra. So what happened with the BTC chart
Do you
was
see the BTC chart?
you see that the next candle, yeah, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it here, was actually green. And
So
then
it got
the
bounced.
third
Yeah.
candle was also green. Yeah. But then we hit resistance on the third candle. Yeah. And there was probably a selling wall, and we had to fall. So now I'm overwhelmed, man. I don't want to trade this nonsense. It's gonna break.
Okay. Because read chat.
I'm gonna lose money.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this.
By the way, did I sell already or did I forgot to sell again?
Let me wait. Alex, I don't know. This is why I was asking you what your star sign is. I need to know.
I'm a Scorpio.
You're a Scorpio.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Most of the time, I'm very organized, but trading is just. This is just what I cannot do. I cannot do short trades because the
No, you're
layout
just
of
a man. You
Binance,
can't do it.
you know, I need 5 screens. I need my BTC chart. I need my trading screens. And in this case, I have 3 trades open. So I need 3 trades. I mean, 3 screens. And I don't know, an extra screen for Twitter or something. And Telegram. I cannot use all these tabs. I'm just switching all over the place. Where am I looking? you know, I cannot do this. I
Sorry.
cannot do this.
Sorry. I'm really okay because right now I don't even use my laptop anymore because this Wi-Fi is so hopeless unless I go out of the house. So here I only use the iPad and my phone. So just 2 things. And yeah,
I couldn't.
that's what I used to trade.
I can't.
And that's why today when I was by the pool, I could do the charts that I wanted to do. And I actually did 3 trade setups and I also did your chart. So
A declining candle is one which closes lower. Yeah, okay. So she's saying the hammer candle must come after 3 declining candles. Okay, so
yeah.
see, where is my chart? I don't know. Oh, here it is. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, this is the
She's
5
right.
minute. This is the 5 minute. Hold
Put
on.
it on the 1 hour. I'm looking at the 1
Yeah.
hour, Alex.
So which color
Yeah,
Dekrat
she's
is?
right.
Do you mean the red one or the green one?
The red one.
The red one. Oh, okay, so the low, so the one at the 5 o'clock timestamp.
Hi, Dikra.
Hi, Faith. Hi. There's a lot of
Hi,
names
how are
here. That's
you?
why I'm really well. Thank you. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
Thank you guys for
It's
the
nice
class.
to hear from you. You're always so quiet.
I know. The thing is, I have a lot of background noise going on here. So to not disturb you guys, I'm on mute. But Asim knows that at night, usually I'm able to speak.
Did I sell already?
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay.
Yes.
Where are you from?
I have not
Holland.
sold.
Spain.
You're from Holland.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Same, likewise.
It's because Alex also was talking about you. And then I was just like, Dikra, and I but because you don't have your name on your profile. So I kept just thinking, who is Dikra? Huh? You do?
No, I don't. Yeah, I'm a very private
You don't?
person.
Yeah.
No.
So
Yeah, I'm
then
a
I
very
told
private
Alex,
person.
no.
That's
why. Yeah. I told Alex, I was like, no, I don't know her.
I was like, yes, you do, but you don't know that you do.
Yeah. So then, because whenever I was talking to you, I didn't even know if you were a girl or a guy.
I know. I
noticed.
I noticed. You once assumed I was a guy. I was like, that's fine.
I actually thought, seriously, hand across my heart, I thought you were a guy.
Me as well. Me as well.
I sent you a female empowerment message. I thought that would have made it clear, but it didn't.
when you privately message me.
No, when I was messaging in the group chat. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're so I told Alex, I was like, no, don't know her. He's like, I'm sure you do. I was like, nope, never heard of her. Don't
I
know the
just had to
name.
be on in the background. That's true.
Yeah, that's okay. It's really
Oh,
nice
so
to meet
funny.
you.
Same. Likewise. I'm going back to lurking, you guys.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll try and just read what you wrote so I see if I know what you're saying or if it's time for me to learn as well. But it can whether be bullish or not.
Okay, you know what? I'm just going to zoom the F out. Okay, tell me, is this bearish or is this bullish? I don't know. I don't know. Why am I even looking on minute time frames? I'm not this type of trader.
Look to enter long positions or exit short positions. Yeah.
You know what? I'm staying in. Yeah, I'm staying.
In Bell,
Yeah, because I don't care if it drops to the abyss, it's still going up.
I got kicked out of Bell actually. I
Yeah,
thought I wasn't, but yeah, I had put my stop loss right above entry. So I got kicked out with like 3 or 4% of profit.
because it's forming, if it has formed a head and shoulders right here. So, and then the breakout came. So why would it fall back? This also.
And actually, I didn't see this, Alex. But when you look at Bell on the 1 hour, I think we have a double bottom on Bell.
On
Look at the hour.
USDT pair.
Yeah.
One second.
USDT pair.
1 second. RSI is dropping. Price is going up. RSI is dropping. Price is going
Oh, yeah.
up. So I'm a sell. And you said Bell USDT. You said a double bottom.
A double bottom on the 1 hour. It did. It is a double
I
bottom.
see it. That's a perfect double bottom. Okay.
Yeah, it is a perfect one.
But is it bullish or is this one bearish?
It's bullish. No, it's a bullish one. It's a bullish one. It's a bullish one. So yeah, BTC is the one that's shooting in bed. Bell should break out of this range.
These trading these pairs are like super weird. I mean, if Bitcoin drops, the what's it called? Bell drops, and then the BTC pair also drops. So the BTC pair can only go or only grow if BTC is moving sideways.
Yeah, but one thing that that's actually true. The other thing that I noticed is my brain has blurred out. When you're going to trade a coin, you can look and see which pair is the most dominant one. You know, like for example, you can try and check if XRP BTC, if most people holding XRP have paired it with BTC or with USDT. And then if most people have paired it with BTC, then it is BTC that will give the BTC pair that will give the USDT pair trend.
Okay, you need to explain that again.
Okay, so this is my personal
You're
research.
you're
So,
breaking up again.
for example, if I want to trade ADA, ADA. Okay, I'll close all this.
Am I still in access?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. So why? Let me ask you a quick question. Why does it keep access when you sell?
What do you mean? Why does it keep access? I don't understand.
Well, look at my screen, man. I know I sold access.
I'm seeing our chart, Alex. I'm not seeing your trade.
Oh, I forgot to record this thing. Okay, sorry, FitFop. I forgot. I was supposed to record. I am sorry.
What are you correcting, Alex? What are you correcting?
I'm all over the place. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to get out of my trades. Apparently, I still have trades open. And then I will start the video. No, this is not gonna.
Okay, Alex, as you're doing that, I'm gonna go and take a quick shower because I want to wash chlorine off my body.
You have what?
I've got chlorine on my body, so I need to wash
because
it
of
off.
the pool. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's not good for my skin. I'll take a quick shower and then make a coffee and I'll come back.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll be
cool.
here.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye. Okay. I'm going to start the video later. But first, I need to find out why I hold Axis. Did I trade the Axis USDT? I am not sure.
I don't
Yes.
even know what you prefer me to call you, Alex Asim. What do you prefer?
Can you speak up a little bit?
Yeah. Do you prefer me to call you Asim or Alex?
You can choose. I react to both.
Okay. Well, check the chat, and I sent you an example. If you will, please.
Okay. So the confirmation occurs if the candle following the hammer closes above the closing price of the hammer. Okay. Ideally, this confirmation candle shows strong buying. Candlestick traders will typically look to enter long position or short positions during or after the confirmation candle. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. For those taking new long positions, a stop loss can be placed below the low of the hammer shadow. So the hammer shadow is the wick. Is that correct?
That's something I actually don't know. We're going to need Fab to confirm that one.
Yeah, so the shadow, anything that when they talk about shadow, they're talking about wicks.
Okay, so a shadow is a wick and a wick is a shadow. Okay, confirmed. Okay. So what was your initial question, Dikla? I have access, but I sold access. I have normal access. Gift from the gods, something. Okay, gift from the god stuff. Focus.
Usually as well, when you usually get a hammer, as well,
Yeah.
in either direction, it means there's a lot of pressure from either side, and there's going to be a trend change.
Trend
Uh,
reversal. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, trend reversal is very, 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 very good indicator on that. 95% of the time, it's a trend reversal.
Yeah. I know. Faith trades these candlestick patterns. So what she would do is draw the daily support and resistance lines. Um, let me just first check my entry.
Can I ask you another question?
Yes, of course.
Like Chaser, please, because he seems to know a lot about it. So that hammer candle that we got on the 1 hour, right? Knowing that it's a bullish candle, I would have probably have bought into that, right? But it wasn't a reversal. So is the candle next to it, did it not give confirmation, or how am I supposed to view that?
I would wait for the second candle for confirmation after that.
And if you can show Alex, please, did it give confirmation on the 1 hour for Bitcoin, because you spotted
you
that
got
one?
you got 4 hours, so you got 4 hours. The picture that you have, it's 4 hours.
Yes, that was the one that we had previously on BTC. That's when everyone was talking about it, and that's when I read the article about it also.
Yeah.
So the
So
4
I mean,
hour would be a
personally,
stronger trend.
yes, it will be. I mean, personally, I would. I mean, Faith has the capacity. I mean, she can see it and stuff like that, but I'm not that comfortable yet because, for example, there's a wick onto to the top side and a shadow on the top side, basically. And to me, is it's not a full hammer, but I would go, for example, to the 2 hour and the 1 hour to see how the volume is doing. And it's very, very important to have a look at the volume. I mean, if you look, it usually signifies a pressure from the bottom selling, buying, right? Buying. So there's a huge pressure from the bottom, and you want to confirm that on the 2 hour and 1 hour, and to see how the volume is going. And then it's obviously 99% this is a trend reversal, so it's not going to keep on going down. So always double check on your 2 hour and 1 hour and see how your volumes are doing.
That explains it for me. Thank you. Thank you,
Alex,
so
can you? No problem. Alex, can you find something, an example like that that you can show with the trend reversal and move from a 4 hour to 2 hour and 1 hour and see what it does on the volume?
Yeah. Let me just change screens real quick. So now you see the chart, eh? So you want to see a reversal candle.
Yeah. So for example, if you go to the left, zoom out a little bit on the 4 hour. No, go to the 4 hour. Let's find a reversal one. You see, for example, you see what I'm saying? Go there, back again, a little bit back. You see,
tell me left or right?
Right, a little bit right. Yeah. Okay, you see this? You see that third candle from the right? Third candle from the right.
This one?
Yeah, that's sort of a hammer, right? Yeah. So you see what happened here? It didn't reverse, and that's because there's a lot of pressure coming from the top side. The hammer for me to personally to decide on a full potential hammer. I have a picture here in the chat. Let me just find it quickly. It has to be flat on the top, right? So for me, a hammer is go to the let's see, go left, yeah, no, left. Similar to the where are you? Go a little bit up, similar to the 4 o'clock one, the 5 o'clock one. Similar to the 5 o'clock, but the body has to be smaller, right? What I learned to identify them, I wonder if I could. Can you do me a favor and pull up a Fibonacci on the candle, on this candle, on the 5 o'clock one? Just on the candle. No. From the top of the candle to the bottom of the candle. Put down to the close. Okay, and yeah. Okay, put that one on the right. No, put that one on the right. Or the Fibonacci on the right, on the top, exactly horizontal. Not vertical. Sorry, vertical.
On the right, vertical. But
no, you see that candle that you are on now? Put it vertical. The Fibonacci vertical. Make it vertical on that candle, on that red candle. Put it vertical.
Yeah, like this.
No, vertical. No, vertical, not diagonal.
Vertical is up, down, right?
Yeah.
So how do you want me to?
Straight up. Straight up.
I'm not sure what you
A
mean.
little bit left.
Oh, like this.
No, a little bit more. No,
more?
one more.
Yeah.
In the middle of the candle.
And what has to be in the middle of the candle?
Yeah, middle of the candle, of the red candle. Put it in the middle of the candle.
In the middle of the red candle?
Yeah.
Like this?
No, on the left one, on the red candle on the left.
Oh, okay.
You see the red candle?
But
yeah, there.
Like this?
No. Put it, you started at the bottom there, right?
Yeah.
Take the bottom to the bottom of the wick.
To the bottom of the wick. Of the green or red wick?
The red wick.
Okay, so this
doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Okay, and take the
zero
top one to the top of the red wick.
Okay.
To the top of the red wick.
Like this.
Yeah. So, is it the right way around? Oh, it's the wrong way around. If the Fibonacci basically is between these two ends here, right? That's where the hammer is, right? But it has to be flat, right? So it has to be there shouldn't be any wick there. Sorry, there shouldn't be any wick on the top, right?
Okay.
And then there shouldn't be a wick on the top, and it's the top section. Yeah, take it all the way up to the